I never thought a day will come in the fashion and jewelry industry when finding connects, vendors, collaborations would be so easy. Crazy how much has changed just in the last 6 months since we started the Fashion Circuit WhatsApp community. Connecting with people has become so much easier and work has become so much faster. But we knew a day would come when the WhatsApp community becomes full and we would need a solution that's far bigger and better to match up with your ambition. Well, that day is here, 2025 is here, and so is the solution that takes us to the next level. I'm beyond thrilled to introduce the Fashion Circuit app, which is the world's first communities-based platform for networking and collaboration in the fashion and jewelry industry, where discovering people, opportunities, or resources is as easy as just tapping a button. If you're wondering why do we need another app when we already have WhatsApp, continue watching. You're about to understand why is this the need of the hour. Three reasons why we need a dedicated app, not WhatsApp. Fashion and jewelry industry is extremely fragmented. All the work here depends on the strength of your personal network, which is absolutely bizarre. Which is why being a part of a network like this has been so helpful for so many of us. So many of us have secured leads, vendors, freelancers within minutes of posting our requirements. And that too with just 1200 members. Imagine if the entire fashion industry came together under one roof. The pace we will pick up, the amount of time and money we all would end up saving. The second reason is discoverability is impossible on WhatsApp. You probably joined our WhatsApp community because a friend or a friend of friend must have told you about it. But how do you discover more communities like this? What if you had access to all of the world's B2B fashion and jewelry communities, everything under one roof, organized, categorized, and very easy to access? Third reason, WhatsApp is constant pushing and not pulling. Let's go through the story of Sita and Geeta. Sita needs a model, Geeta is the perfect fit. But Geeta is extremely busy, no time to check her messages, and as a result, she misses out on the opportunity Sita posted on WhatsApp. What if there was a place where Sita could simply scroll, use the right filters according to her category, and find Geeta's beautiful profile and reach out to her instead? Something like this would never be possible on WhatsApp. See, Geeta would have to constantly keep pushing herself instead of pulling opportunities. The sad part is the world has evolved, but fashion and jewelry industry has not. Who would have imagined decades ago that we could order food with a click of a button, or we'd be able to send a parcel from A to B with a click of a button? But apps like Swiggy and Borzo made that possible. The engineer in me cannot fathom that our industry still operates in such old school, outdated methods of networking and collaborating. It's really high time we need a change. For months on end, we've been working tirelessly hard, coding day in and day out to build a solution that can make this network a lot bigger and work faster for everyone in our industry. If we all come together, we can transform the fashion industry for good. The start is always small, but with consistent effort and vision, we can make our industry into something extraordinary. Stop struggling alone, stop firefighting alone, join the app and start growing together. Because if we all connect, we all succeed.